Transport Department to launch a special drive against all such parked trailers. You can see them being parked on the airport road as well, and that's how this fatal accident has taken place. They have no concern whatsoever. The respective companies booking these trailers, they should provide the parking space, or they should see where space is available and hire it out or buy the place and have the parking done there. Why should they park on the roads? Even organization like MPT, all the trailers which go to MPT, all the big trucks are parked on the road, on the main highways. This thing is not done. I am going to ask the police as well as my department to launch a drive where keep on booking them so that they don't feel it is economical to park on the road and cause such type of accidents. I condemn this type of behavior from them of parking on busy roads and thereby causing accident. I will see that strict action is initiated.